I'm videoing. I'm videoing my Peking duck.
Do you want to go there? Do you want to go there?
My Peking duck, oh. And my duck. My ducklings. Oh. Look, oh. They don't like to be eaten. They don't want to be eaten.
No.
Hey, did you see that? The fish. Hey, there is a big one over there. Oh.
There is big ones in there, obviously.
There is a big one there. Look, oh. They're all joining together, oh. They don't like be eaten. Hello, mother duck. Hello, father duck. Mother duck. Oi. Pekin, where are you going? Look, eh. Look at the ducks, oh. They're all jumping. Ay! Jumping low. Oh, one by one. Can you see them? They're going to the pond, though.
Yeah.
They really got a pond in here now. Oh, look, oh, look,
They're
oh.
happy.
Yeah, they're happy. Mother ducks. The duckling, oh.
They just need regular food.
I know. Now I give them vitamins, you see. I give them vitamins as well. You know, I remove their, trying to hurt me, ne? The turkey boy, oh. Look at that. Uy, look at that, oh.
He's showing off
Yes.
with his feathers.
Yeah, the turkey boy. Start doing this. I think because of his on the heat, isn't it?
Oh, but also you're feeding him properly.
Yeah. Mm. Okay, I'll show you the. Every time I'm here, I'm gonna post this. I'm posting it. This is the one that you're getting. The ducks, oh, they're swimming, oh. Swimming away. Yay, they're swimming away. Swimming away.